Hello everyone, welcome back to illphocorphics. In this tutorial, I show you how to design this epic style of YouTube thumbnail in Photoshop. I show all the behind tricks that I follow to create a professional YouTube thumbnail. And if you like to get a YouTube thumbnail from me, you can order your design on FIVERR.com now. And sorry for the last few months, I was busy with some work. But I hope now I will make videos regularly again for you. Now let's start the tutorial. Now we are here in the magical world of Photoshop. I have already downloaded and removed the background image in Photoshop to save time in this tutorial. If you want to know how to remove background, you can check out my this videos, where I show how to remove the background of an image professionally. Now first we need to create a blank document for our thumbnail, so go to the file, new. Now lots of people like to go with HD format for thumbnail, but I always like to go with the full HD file format. So take 1920 by 1080 size, and you can choose any resolution you want. Now hit create. Next, go to the background image. Take the image and paste it into the composition. Now take it to the corner, go to edit, and take free transform. You can also take a shortcut key to get a free transform. Now make the image size bigger. Hit OK. Then convert the image into a smart object. Go to filter, blur, and take Gaussian blur. Now adjust the blur and see which one is perfect for you. Hit OK. Then go to the adjustments layer, and make the gradient. We need to take a deep color gradient for your design. Now take a hard to soft gradient, by increasing opacity 100% to one side and 0% to another side. Then click on the slider and choose barred green color. It is OK. Then click another side of the color. Also, choose a dark green color for the other side. Hit OK. After that, change the style into radial. Click on the inverse. Now take your time and adjust the gradient according to your needs. After all the adjustments, hit OK. Now change the blending mode into multiply. Now go to the model image layer, take the image and paste it into the composition. Go to edit, and take free transform. Make the image size smaller, and fit it with the thumbnail side. Then make a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl+J on your computer. Then hide back the model layer. Then rasterize the top layer of the model. Then take smudge and apply some smudge to the side area of the model. You can follow my steps. After that, create a blank layer to the back of the model. Then take the brush tool. Adjust the brush size and create a soft brush like mine. Be sure to take hardness 0%. Take the move tool. Take the brush back to the model. Press Ctrl or Command+T to open free transform. Then adjust the lighting to the behind of the model. After the adjustments, change the blending mode into linear dodge. Then take the brush tool, choose the white color, create a blank layer, and click on the document. Take the move tool again, and again put the light into the back of the model. Change the blending mode into linear dodge. After that, adjust the image perfectly according to your needs. After all the editing, go to the flare image document. Unlock the layer. Then take the image and paste it to the main composition. Now make the image size bigger by pressing Ctrl+T. Hit OK. Change the blending mode into the screen. Take the layer to the back of the model layer. Then go to the adjustments layer, and take hue saturation adjustments. Then create a clipping mask. You can use this icon also to do the clipping mask, or press the right button on your mouse and create a clipping mask. Now change the color of the FIVERR layer. Next, go to this image layer. Unlock the layer, take the image and paste it to the main composition. Then go to Edit and Free Transform. Adjust the size of the image. Then change the blending mode into the screen. Decrease the opacity according to your need. Now, create a blank layer. Press the right button and create a clipping mask. Then go to the toolbar, take the brush tool, choose the color, and now paint it to the side of your model image edges. Change the blending mode into liner.jad. Now follow my steps and create the lighting effect like me. Try to do it as perfectly as you can. After all the adjustments, go to the toolbar and take the type tool. Click on the document. After that, open character. If you don't find it here, go to Window and Character. Now choose a font you like to use. I will go with America Captain font. You can use it as you like. Increase the font size. Now write down your information in the thumbnail. Press Ctrl or Command+T and adjust the text. After that, select the text layer, and go to the blending option. Now follow my steps and create a perfect layer style. Just follow me or do some experiments to get a more perfect effect for your thumbnails. After all the adjustments, hit OK. Then press the right button on the mouse of the text layer, and copy layer styles. Then select the other font, press the right button on your mouse, then paste layer styles. Now you can see we come up with the same effect that we created for the other font. Now we are done, and you can see this is a perfectly designed thumbnail. I hope that you get some new ideas about creating a perfect epic YouTube thumbnail. For the final touch, organize your design layer by creating a group. I personally always use this technique and make my design organized. Now, I just show you all the tips and tricks that I use to create a perfect YouTube thumbnail for me or for my client. If you are also having problems creating thumbnails, I hope that my tutorial helped you. If did, please support my channel and share the tutorial with your friends. And thank you so much all of you for your support through Patreon, and also channel membership. I am really thankful to all of you who are supporting my work and my channel. Keep supporting to motivate me to keep making videos. And sorry for those last few months. I am coming back again and I will make a video again for you. So stay with my channel, and subscribe, not just subscribe, also press the bell icon to get all notification. And also be sure to like the video. So that's it for today. See you in my next video. Till then, bye. And the most important thing, keep learning.